All right, welcome, welcome. Fasting day 3, you did it. You made it halfway through. All right, I'm so proud. So you got this. Prolon fast. Today can be tough, so go ahead and text in, share your challenges and your triumphs. Note those in the chat or text that to me. I would love to hear about it. So today, autophagy begins. So, what is autophagy? So that is the third day. So you have cellular cleanup, which is called autophagy, is going to has started. Your fat is burning, and ketone production and utilization it continues, and it's going to increase today on day 3. Looking ahead, day 4 is cellular cleaning and rejuvenation are going to continue. Then the fat burning and ketosis are going to continue. Day 5, you're going to have more sustained cellular recycling, rejuvenation, and renewal, sustained ketosis. Day 6 and beyond, you're going to continue to nourish the body by as you gently break the fast. So, what is autophagy? Autophagy means self eating. This is the body's way of cleaning house. So, think of it as your internal doctor. Um, So, poorly functioning cell components are going to be targeted for destruction as the body has a limited amount of resources because you're eating, the body thinks it's in a water fast. So, it's not going to waste its energy on poorly functioning cells. It's going to destroy those cells and only give its energy to cells that are operating properly. I think this is amazing. Um, it's also important in inflammation, immune function, and cellular rejuvenation. So this stage that's happening right now, it happens only after you've, been fasting for 3 days, and that's controversial. Some people are saying that it's earlier, but according to Dr. Longo's research, it's on the third day. So I want to look at this is an image right here of a cell, and you can see as it starts here, and there it is. And then you can see autophagy happening right here when you see things that are exiting the cell. So this is when the cell is killing off things that are not working properly. It's gone, it's being kicked out of that cell. And so that's awesome. I love that. So the in 2016, a Nobel Prize was given for this discovery of mechanisms for autophagy. So as you can see, this is new research. Um, this is less than 10 years old. So I'm so excited about this new research. So prolonged fasting, it activates autophagy. Shorter intermittent fasts do not allow for autophagy. It takes several days of fasting or FMD to activate the autophagy. So here's another image of the cell. And you can see all that junk that's gotten into your body over time through toxins, through products, through food, through water bottles, through our water, just our environment, everything. All these different things that are toxic, and the body has a natural way of getting rid of it. A note on sodium. So, sodium is important. It hydrates our body and it replaces the electrolytes that we lost. And so, Prolon is below the AHA and the USDA daily sodium recommendations. So, you will see that there is sodium inside of the Prolon foods. And that is important to keep you hydrated and for your electrolytes. Um, and as we covered earlier, if you need to add in a half a teaspoon or of salt extra, you can. I know one time when I first did the fast, I felt like that I was dehydrated, and so I needed that extra boost. Let's take a moment to highlight some of the products that have been created that have came out of the research and development, Dr. Longo's research. So we have two types of supplements. One is called the L pill, and this is a longevity supplement. It includes only four ingredients that are going to support healthy aging. So it has green tea extract, an antioxidant blend, wasabi extract, and DHA. Next, we have the L biome. It mimics the post fast microbiome. It supports gut health and includes DHA. So, one of the things I love about this 5 day fast is, we're getting like a whole basically a redo of our gut microbiome because we're eating what's in the box. We're eating these clean foods. They're non-GMO. We're getting the right amount of nutrients in our body. So this L biome helps to mimic that post-fast microbiome, and it's going to support your gut health. All right. So, unlocking the power of longevity with our ebook. So, you can maximize your health span through lifestyle change, daily and seasonal habits for longevity approved recipes, and tips to incorporate Prolon products. And so, we'll send that to you. Put that link in the chat. So, what's ahead for tomorrow? Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about a transition diet, how to exit the fast. And if you have any questions, send me an email or send me a message, and I will happily answer any questions. You got this. You can do it. Stay in the box. Live in the box. Have a great day.